I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy and gluten-free banana bread. It's got a lovely taste of bananas, it's naturally sweet, it's extremely easy to make. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Let's go. For this recipe, we are going to use a blender. Now don't worry, if you don't have a blender, you can simply use an old-fashioned bowl. Put all the ingredients in there, it's not a problem. First thing you're going to do is take 3 super ripe bananas, peel them, and simply put large chunks into the blender. You need 3 medium-sized bananas for this recipe. Next, add 160 grams of rice flour, 30 grams of buckwheat flour, 60 grams of corn flour, 100 grams of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 40 grams of butter, make sure it's soft, it's at room temperature, 100 milliliters of milk, you can use soya milk if you're dairy free, it works very well too, and finally add 1 egg. And now we are going to blend all of this in the blender. How long this is going to take depends on the strength of your blender, but just whiz it at maximum speed. When it's all mixed, what I do is I take the lid off, I take a spatula and I just scrape the sides, just like this, and then I whiz it again just for a couple of seconds to make sure it's all really well mixed. And that's it. Now all you need to do is take a cake tin, line it with non-stick baking paper, and then pour your mixture into the cake tin. And that's it. It's ready to go into the oven. Next, pop it into the oven at 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, take your banana bread out of the oven and take it out of the cake tin, put it on a cooling rack like this. Let it cool down completely before you taste it. There you go. When it's cooled out, you can put it on a pretty dish and enjoy it. And now it's tasting time. Look at this. It's so nice. It's just the perfect mix between a bread and a cake. I just love banana bread. And if you enjoyed this recipe, my guess is you love this one next. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.